If you've ever wanted a kitchen upgrade that instantly gives a more modern look, this Empava 24-inch electric induction cooktop definitely has that clean, sleek feel. One of the first things I noticed is the smooth glass surface because it gives everything a really streamlined appearance, and I like that it doesn't have a bunch of raised burners to work around. Another thing I really like is the touch controls. Adjusting the heat levels feels simple, and having multiple settings gives you flexibility whether you're simmering something or cooking at higher temperatures. I also appreciate the safety features built into it, like the hot surface indicator and child lock option, which are nice details for everyday use. The cooktop itself also stays cleaner looking because spills don't get trapped around burner edges, and the smooth surface makes cleanup quick and easy. Overall, if you want something that looks modern, feels easy to use, and gives your kitchen a cleaner, more updated appearance, this is definitely one worth checking out.